Hi, Forbes Riley here. Traditional dental floss. It often fails to effectively remove plaque and debris from between your teeth. Well, Ecomoxo has revolutionized the floss game while focusing on utilizing sustainable, reusable, and eco-friendly materials. See, unlike conventional floss, Wise Floss is created with a unique knitted structure to maximize the cleaning effect by reaching deeper between your teeth, effectively removing plaque and debris. Use code SMILE15 for 15% off at ecomoxo.com.